Hi, I'm Marlon Gaiman with JBA Offroad. I'm the CEO of JBA. This is our JBA Max 90 ball joint. We use it in all our upper control arms. Biggest benefit over a Uni-Ball or other ball joints is the JBA bolts in with 4 bolts that will take 15 minutes to replace your ball joint, and you can do it on the vehicle. You do not have to remove the A-arms to replace your ball joint. It has a 90-degree range of motion, giving the suspension a lot more articulation. Simple to replace, easy to maintain, and has a 100% sealed ball joint with the silicone rubber boot. The JBA Max 90 ball joint is CNC machined in our shop with 4140 chromoly material. We custom machine the studs to fit all the different vehicles. The Max 90 ball joint will boost your off-road capabilities. The ball joint is the limiting factor with the steering knuckle that will keep your tire on the ground longer. You can rebuild the JBA Max 90 ball joint with simple spanner tool. Shouldn't take more than a half an hour to rebuild both of your ball joints. We pride ourselves in giving the customer good quality product, and we also give them great customer service.